Okay, there's our Airbnb. This is the master bedroom. Pretty big. Love the color. And then over here is the restroom and bathroom over here. We got a tub, shower, and closet over there. Let's check the other room. So when you come out here, there's a bed right there. And go over here. There's 2 bedroom and a bathroom. Right, this is the bedroom. And then Uncle John right there. And go downstairs. And then there's Loney right there. And Nancy and KO right there. Living room. Kitchen. And then the bathroom right here. And then this is the front door to enter. Good morning. So we're here in Georgia celebrating Kane's wedding. Alright. So we have some decoration here. And they're decorating a tree.
I think you guys should make it longer. I think you guys should use the last one.
No, can't use the left.
Yeah, I think you guys should use the last one.
Oh, 好，你去 drape 啊。Yeah.
We're gonna do drape. We have a lot
Because
more.
we still have the sheer ones too. Yeah, we still have the
We'll
sheer
put
ones.
the sheer one in the back.
Yeah.
I just think it looks funny.
I think
You
once
think
we
it
put,
looks funny?
I think once we put the
We
other
could
ones
readjust.
in,
We could go back and readjust.
There's my uncle's land right here. And then we have our tent in here. So all the decoration. And there's Lucy and Sunshine.
That's hella deep.
Say it again.
Chibalimon.
Chibalimon.
Chibalimon. I don't know how to speak Hmong.
The guys is over there. Where the tree's at? That's Uncle's barn right here. Uncle's house is over here. Hi.
Một cái giấy tôi chủ
No more.
tôi lên tư
And then cứ chỉ to ha.
nhưng tôi
Cứ chỉ ha bảo mày.
Ồ.
Chỉ như họ. Nó sao?
Nào có củ họ ướp thọ nào thì cái coi nắp của ta lấy họ. Được rồi nhau ướp một tí hậu.
Uncle's house is over here.
I'm not going to tell you until wherever hold your feet. You have to that one time.
And I kind of want to return him back.
In high school, but they
Um,
bought it a long time ago.
I was like, "Helen, you can have it back."
And he's like, he will always be your cousin.
Yeah, Macy will always stay with me.
Yeah.
So you can have him back. So I can be single and see him all the time.
Yes.
See? That's very smart.
He will always be your cousin. He will always be in your life.
Yes.
And then we have Adam right here.
Sorry. All over the place.
No, you're good. Ping's right here. Hey, Ping. Hi, guys.
It's a camera.
Oh, that's the camera?
There's more people here cooking.
Tôi biết tôi sao từ trước cái từ bia từ lúc nên cho lúc nó mò cái dùng sát cho tao mấy xuân xuân từ cái thằng chỉ bảo có một cho mấy xuân xuân từ cứ mấy một cái lúa mấy cho mấy cái lúa mấy cho mấy lúa xí hở cứ mua nông cái to tôn chỉ bê nhau hai tổ bang bê hai tổ trái bê nó cú tại tao mấy ta lên nó xứ để chi nó mò lúa xí nó mò để cú sang cú chín cả ha cú nãy cái mà từ sao lúc bên nó từ hà ở bên lù cho bên giờ cứ tin anh cha thì phong cho gì cứ to cho. Okay, this is a very, very special time, special moment. Yeah, please stand up. And then, come on, go to more. Come on, look strong. Come on, tote. Cú tháo suốt làm bộ tê cho ở từ nó nổi mỏ từ cái sao mỏ nó. Mà một cái nó chả là một cái luôn đấy. Okay. So, nó giờ menu này, okay. Cú cho kho bố tô cho cái tên anh cha cho phong cho gì bố tô nó, bố sao nó mấy ilu lujon cho họ nó is very special. So, có gì thì có sao tu sa của cha của tôi một hàng đây là có sao sản cho có được lan luôn, okay? Okay. It's your turn.
I just want to thank you all. Like, I just want to thank God for this day, this beautiful weather day. Beautiful weather day. I just want to thank for the love and the support that you guys have shown by coming here. You know, this wedding wouldn't have happened without you guys, so I just want to thank you. I want to thank my sister, me, Dad, Songna, Julie, Tully, Z, Elvis. Without you guys, this wedding would not be this beautiful because I did not plan any of that. Like, mine was more simple. And so and so I'm just so grateful and happy that, you know, I have such a loving family and such a good support system. And so, you know, I just want to carry that on to the next generation as well. I'm just want to thank all the friends and family. I just want to thank all the friends and family. You know, without you guys, your time, your energy, coming to help us cook, being here, your love and support, gifts. You know, this wedding wouldn't have happened without you guys. So I just want to thank you guys from the bottom of my heart, and you know, many blessings in the future for all of us, and that our two families can be strong and happy together too. And so, yeah, I just want to thank everyone for coming here today. I just want to thank my dad too. Dad, you know, well, I always say that. I think this is why I didn't want to wear makeup. You know, Dad, I've always been with you and Mom. And I always say, Kuya juga hana. You too hana. And no, I'm not just moving a couple of houses. I'm moving further. And you know, much. The youngest and the oldest or everything. Go always had to go no kuchinia that I got it. Got to go no that I should help you. And so no even though go by open side. Got you could see. Go go say go your man go. Chị hạ tại cô ai ở Thái Sư lại quý cô ấy quý bạn cô nhân chú cô nào lên nó lo mà để cái này bạn Jimmy Thomas mini bạn họ quý yêu bạn mẹ you know I'm just you know shocked with you taught me so well to be a good daughter. And you know, now I can show this family that we are and I can help them too. And I just want to thank you, Dad. That we look ahead.
I can't top that. But, good afternoon. I want to thank everybody for coming here. It means a lot to us. I want to thank everybody for coming here to help us cook, prep the food. First of all, I want to thank God first. You know, that He's provided me with a beautiful wife here. I come from a loving family. I want to thank my mom and dad for always pushing me to get married. You know, loving me and accepting me as a son. It means a lot to us, to the bottom of my heart, that you guys are all here. So, I want you to just hang out around later, and you know, we'll be here.
My two favorites is Kay
In a bit. Hello, Auntie, Uncle. Huh? Oh, minimal, yeah. Oh, yeah. Hello, girls. Hi. Yeah, it's a small camera. Hello. No, but yeah.
Well, we got to say
Hi, Uncle. Hello, guys. How's the food? Good?
That back, get the whole background. No meat, free, dog free.
It's recording. Yeah.
It is the best, dude.
What's up, Jimmy?
Hey, so Chris.
To let you know that.
Hold on. Fake it. That's it. Cut the whole cake together. Holding hands.
I got a message for Tsuo.
Okay. Again.
Brother Tsuo, you always at events. Where you at?
I know, right? Where's that?
Sam, 49ers week, bro.
Any message for Dave?
I'm sorry. Love you, bro.
That's it. Boring.
Full of shit. You know, I love that. Brother Peters, now here your YouTube fan. And then my sister becomes sister. And we all.
Her name in here.
Okay. Okay. We all come today because it's a new chapter for all of us. 俾一腳俾書包合啲嘅 presents。這是一腳俾書包，這是no weekend, right? It's a very special day for all of us. And 我就準備說到佢咩都幾多，俾隻佢哋 California，俾到幾多，有 Minnesota, Rhode Island, Wisconsin, okay, and Green Bay. All of you guys for being here in Atlanta, Georgia. Okay. So as the older brother, I just want to say that this is a toast for all of us. Not a beginning, but then we already had this road. Actually, because this is a new chapter for Kutumoha, make your brother, So, someone to get your shot. Or just make sure to make to support to better lure to better bound to better talk to that. No more to you oil name to better to shine her, be your lure, be bound to so. No matter where they are, in your heart, make it in your job to make lure time to that case. Or to be bound, be your show no law, be your lure, be the year, be tomorrow, be lure, okay. And no, you to get your shot today, fishing tree, fishing pool, no. I had to get your shot today we combine as a family again, okay? Being easier family, but now today we are also closer, okay? So we have to I just want to say thank you all for being here, and thank you all for being here and support, and thank you all. And from now on, we are more closer. We are now as family of one. Okay, too close, but family of one. Okay? So from
So brother and sister getting married.
So, no, you get your shot. I think you get your shot. I think all y'all get your shot. Okay, Peter.
Who is not here?
We are family and family forever. So cheers to all of us.
Cheers!
Too long, too long versus whoever. Too long, longer.
Good job, Rose. We all saw that.
I saw that.
My shot's right.
That was so bad.
That was Pepsi.
That was so bad. We all heard that. We all heard that too. Nah, he just tossed out Pepsi.
It's like that guy that drinks the beer and it's already empty, and he does a peace sign at the end, and then he didn't even drink anything. She's hiding.
Not here.
I think she's hiding in the house.
At the house.
Yeah. I'm sure she's at the house.
Good, you guys have a lot of them.
Our house is surrounded by forest.
Surrounded by forest? Damn.
Yeah, more like what you want?
Camille.
Oh, me?
Hey.
My sister.
Okay, come here. What you want?
Tsaka naglo.
Yeah, well, they should just come out.
Okay. Okay. It's okay, we'll go over there. It's getting really dark here.